सुप्रभात, सुस्वागतम, सुस्वागतम, सुस्वागतम। जब आंखें खुली हो तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आंखें बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की हो। हम मर भी जाए तो कोई गम नहीं, मरते वक्त मिट्टी हिंदुस्तान की हो। आप सभी का स्वराज के इस अवसर पर तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, parents. Welcome to Swaraj, day 4 of our Independence Day celebrations. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Now the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These lines will still echo in our minds is part of the speech by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. A very warm welcome to all our parents and our director, Mrs. Saini Bhosle, to Swaraj, the Independence Day celebrations at Angels Paradise Academy. The celebration is a culmination of hard work and dedication of our teachers, children and parents. At Angels Paradise Academy, we focus on the holistic development of our students, where each child is encouraged to excel. And a very big thank you to all our teachers, admin staff, and our aunties for helping us in making these decorations in the boards and everything. So thank you again very much. I would like to give you a snapshot on the school happenings till date and an overview of the upcoming events. Start of the academic year. We started in April 2024 for Prep 1 and Prep 2 and nursery class, which had a settling period with their parents. Playgroup students in the month of June, again as a settling period with parents. Teacher upskilling. Upskilling in any field is the demand of the day. All our teachers undergo extensive training at the beginning of the academic year, which will enhance their skills. And they are also encouraged to participate in different training sessions throughout the year. Competitions. Prep 1 and Prep 2 students are encouraged to participate in different competitions held in the school throughout the year. As it is rightly said, winning is not important, but participation is. This will encourage students to be confident, speak in front of an audience, and develop a sportsmanship spirit. For nursery children, we don't call them competitions but activities for the development of their all-round skills, and they can be ready next year for the competitions. Activities are done for the students to make learning fun and easy. Foreign language, celebrations. All the festivals are celebrated to make children understand the grand traditions of India. Bonjour, Guten Morgen, and so many new words our children are learning as part of their foreign languages. Upcoming events. Angels Paradise Academy is a plethora of celebrations and events happening throughout the year, where learning means fun. To name a few, we have Grandparents' Day, Festival Celebration, Sports Day, Annual Day, and Kids-a-thon, a marathon event for kids only. So keep your seatbelts tightened and join for more learning, more fun, and more laughter all around. Parents, a reminder that we have posted the link for Grandparents' Day celebration. If grandparents are going to join in, please do fill in the link so we know how many grandparents are excited to be part of the celebrations. Thank you, parents, for being part of Angels Paradise Academy and trusting your precious funds to us. We will kindly request parents to be seated throughout the performance, because in our experience, if they see you, then they
which is the foundation of our celebration at Angels Academy. On behalf of Angels Paradise students, management, teachers, and staff, we would like to welcome our parents to this large celebration. So without much ado, I would like to call upon our parental children, Yufika Deshmukh, Aravya Jha, Vishal Kasar, and Ludwig Girish on stage to deliver their welcome speech.
Teachers and dear friends, we stand before you with immense pride and happiness as we celebrate Swaraj, our Independence Day celebration at Indian Paradise Academy. We celebrate the
our responsibility to imbibe the feeling of patriotism and love for our country to the future generations. I would like to invite our little patriots from Pep 2, Avishkar Raut, Riyan Kadam, Darshika Srivastava, to express their feelings for India.
देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हमारा हम, कोई बोले तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय हैं हम। अपने देश की रक्षा करना केवल सैनिकों का ही तौफीक नहीं, प्रत्येक आजन का फर्ज है। विक्रम में अच्छा जिसका कलाकार करता मेरे लोग आले बंधा इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
Well done, children. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. India signifies the phrase unity in diversity. India is a fusion of cultures, religions, and languages. India is a beacon of inspiration to the world. We can never forget the liberation movements led by Indians of all faiths, religions, castes to establish India as an independent country. India is inspirational. India is never saying never. India is determination. India is inclusive and India is aspirational. Our nursery citizens are proud to present the song My Name is Madhuri that signifies the fusion of cultures and religion in one country.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alapi. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alapi. I speak Telugu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nanduvar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nanduvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Shri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shukrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Ramani. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Ramani. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you.
My name is Benjamin. I'm from Banjul. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Banjul. I speak Konkani, but I'm just you. My name is India. I'm from India. My name is India. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Wow, that was superb, children. Wonderful show, unity in diversity. और दिन न केवल हमारे देश के इतिहास में महत्वपूर्ण है, बल्कि यह हमारी आत्मा के स्वतंत्रता की याद दिलाता है और हमें अपने देश के प्रति प्रेम और समर्पण की ओर बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारे देश के महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों और महान नेताओं के बलिदान की स्मृति में मनाया जाता है, जिन्होंने
हमारे देश को आज़ादी दिलाने के